Evaluating logarithmic expressions with and without a calculator. So on most scientific calculators, graphing calculators, we have a natural log function. We also have a common log function. We will be showing you how to use these buttons and so evaluating expressions. And then we'll be also evaluating expressions without the calculator. We'll start with the calculator. Natural log of 5/3. Directions say round to 3 decimal places. So here's our basic calculator. And it depends on what calculator you have. On the one that I have to type in the fraction first. So I'm going to use the left parenthesis button and then the 5 divided by 3 right parenthesis equals. And then I'm going to get some decimal. And after that, I'm going to press my natural logarithmic button, and then I get this decimal, which to round to 3 decimal places becomes approximately 0.511. So that's simple enough. That's how I use my calculator to evaluate expressions. Some examples say find the exact value of this without a calculator. So what I want to do, a really good strategy, is to just set this expression equal to x. And then remembering what the structure of logarithmic equations are, I can write this as an exponential equation saying 2, right, that base, to the x power equals 1. And now I can just think 2 to what power equals 1? 2 to the 0 power is 1. Therefore, x is 0. Next example, again, setting that expression equal to x, I can write this using the structure as an exponential equation. 5 to the x equals 25. 5 to what power is 25? X equals 2. The last example is a little bit more complicated. When we see ln natural log, we want to write it as log to the base e of the square root of e equals x. Now, the square root is the same thing as raising to the 1/2 power, so we want to write the logarithmic equation this way. Now we can notice the structure and we can apply it and write the following exponential equation. E to the x equals e to the 1/2. Therefore, you can see, since the bases are equals, the exponents have to be equal. X equals 1/2.